Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect this Samsung soundbar with your TV screen. And to do this we can actually use multiple different methods, and I'll be connecting it with HDMI, and if you're interested in different methods we'll also check them out. So here we have the USB, aux in, and optical audio in. You can also use the Bluetooth method, and for that check our video on how to connect a Bluetooth device with this soundbar. Now we're gonna take the HDMI cable and plug it inside the HDMI out with TV ARC right here, just like that. So this is how it looks like when it's connected, and make sure that your soundbar is placed like this so you can see the logo on top. Now we can move on to the TV screen, and here on the back, hopefully you can see it, there's different plugs that we can use, and we want to connect it also with HDMI ARC, like it's connected right now. Now only thing to do is to connect the power to the soundbar, and also right here we have a tower that is connected with the soundbar. Now we can move on and take the remote for the soundbar and also our TV. So here's a remote for the soundbar. Make sure that it's on. You can see it on the display there. And now I'm powering it on. And changing a source for TV ARC. Then select the source on your remote, and also you can see that the HDMI 3 that I've connected the soundbar with, it's visible there, and basically your soundbar is connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.